cold start on a foggy day. Let's get it. Fix my damn door thing or take it all the way off. I wish I had a nice cover for it. Gotta clean up the interior just slightly too. Maybe hide all these wires. I got a set of jumper cables on there, so it looks like more than it is, but still got a lot of wires. And I also want to cut that little circle. It's a circle out there in the trunk. I want to cut that out. Put a little flat pan on here. My name is Quaylo Watson, and I am building a 2013 Ford Focus ST drag car. She still stock turbo, has hood exit exhaust. A lot of fancy stuff on it that I don't use yet, like nitrous. Got some nice upgraded injectors, an upgraded fuel pump. Sitting on a set of M&H skinnies in the back. Real skinny in the back. Yeah, I think these like 8.5 in the fronts. Race Master slits. I will be around